your WhatsApp account is banned, right? And whenever you try to open your WhatsApp account, that time you can see this kind of interface, which is you can no longer access to your WhatsApp account. And you don't know how to properly appeal for it, and you don't know how to get back or how to unban it, right? So don't worry, if you follow this video, that time I will show you in just 1 minute how can you unban your WhatsApp account easily with some legal steps. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So before unban your WhatsApp account, you need to do something in your WhatsApp application. So let me go to my phone settings option, and after that just scroll down and you need to find out your application settings. So let me click this one, then scroll down and find out your WhatsApp application. So you can see there is my WhatsApp. So let me click this one, and after that you need to click here permissions, this section. Then you need to give permission to all these settings. Okay, so let me click the first one, which is call logs, then click here allow, and again camera, then allow only while using the app, then contacts allow, then location allow only while using the apps, then microphone, then the first one, then phone allow, and also SMS allow. And after doing all this thing, just get back from here, and notifications, just click here allowed also. And after that get back from here, and then you need to find out here a storage option. Okay, so let me click this one, and after that first of all click here clear cache, and after that click here clear data, and then just clear your all data. Okay, then just get back from here, and after that you need to go to your Play Store, then search here WhatsApp application, then just update your WhatsApp messenger if it asked. And after doing all this thing, just you need to get back from here and just open your WhatsApp. Then you will see this kind of interface, maybe either ban option, I mean this is this account can no longer access, you can see this. Then you need to click here agree and continue, either you can click here this 3-dot line. Okay, so whatever, just click here agree and continue, then click here this 3-dot line, then click here help, this option, then choose a country, I mean choose your country from where you are using WhatsApp. So I'm from Bangladesh, so let me choose this one. And after that just give here your that ban WhatsApp number. Okay, so let me give my that ban WhatsApp number, and after that just click here next option. Then you can see in there describe your problem and add a screenshot. So what you need to do, you need to take a screenshot of this page whenever it shows your account. Just take a screenshot of these photos, and after that just you need to write something in your this there, describe your problem. Okay, so I have written some appeal, so let me paste it in here. Let me read out for you, sorry. And you can see what I wrote, which is dear WhatsApp support, my WhatsApp account was banned by mistake. I kindly request to you review my account and restore it. I apologize if I unknowingly violated any rule. I will follow all WhatsApp policies carefully in the future. So WhatsApp number, so you need to give here your WhatsApp number again. And don't worry, I will give this appeal in the comment section, either in description, you can copy from there. Okay, so after writing these things, you need to click here add screenshot, this section, then choose here your gallery, then choose here your that screenshot, this one, and after that click here next option. Then you will see lots of things in here. You need to click here, send email to WhatsApp support, this option. Okay, and let me show you. You can see everything is coming in here. You can see there is the WhatsApp official email, android@support.whatsapp.com. okay, so this is actual WhatsApp official email, and there is your written email, and everything is written in here. And in the bottom you can see there is your screenshot and logs zip. So what you need to do, you need to send this file to your WhatsApp email. So let me click here, send option, and my email already sent to that WhatsApp official email. So you need to wait for few days, and they can reply to you and they can unban your WhatsApp account so that you can use your WhatsApp account easily. So that's the actual and legal process for unban your WhatsApp account. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you, and I will give the form in the description, either in the comment section. You can copy from there. Thanks.